Are you saying you need your phone charged right now to pay? Is that what you're telling us?
So if we charge your phone, you're going to pay?
Who's what?
Oh my goodness. Let's try another one. Don't worry.
Oh,
There we
approved.
go. Approved. Wow. How about that?
Oh, so that took $50 off?
Oh.
On July 16, 2023, Orlando, Florida officers from the Orlando Police Department responded to a food retail location after a woman consumed and contaminated over $100 worth of merchandise without payment. The real issue is not whether she intended to steal, it is whether intent can survive conduct that makes payment impossible before it even begins.
Oh, hey guys, I'm leaving right now. But after I paid for the food, of course.
You don't pay for the food?
Yeah, but they won't charge my phone and I only have Apple Pay because the other one's at 185 to solve everything. You guys see this, remember?
No.
No?
There's 1,000 of us.
Oh, were you the ones at Colonial when I heard Bad Boy song?
No.
Okay, well, what I told them is that I was paying for this with Apple Pay, and I didn't know my phone was dead, and I have the money to pay for it, and they were like, I hate broke, fat-ass white bitches, and they were harassing me. It's all over their surveillance. I promise you on God. And then this one right here with the clear glasses, said she's yelling at me.
So, ma'am, you're saying you need your phone charged right now to pay? Is that what you're telling us?
So if we charge your phone, you're going to pay? What kind of phone do you got?
Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 17 edition version.
You guys have a phone charger?
You can buy the black this triple C for me, and then I'll trade you some C for it. Which one are you buying for me?
I'm not buying anything for you.
Oh, I get to buy the charger and then...
No, you get no.
No.
I think they have a charger.
We're going to loan you a charger temporarily to charge your phone, hopefully.
They said no. They said you're going to 33rd, bitch. And I was like, what? How do you know about 33rd? Did I see you in there? And she was like, yeah, catch me outside, bitch. And I was like, what?
Okay, alright. So,
yeah.
we use the charger back then?
Taker? What does taker mean? I'm going to pay for it. You can't take me to 33rd. No, I did not.
We have to give her an opportunity to play.
We got to try. Otherwise, that's not going to fly with the state attorney.
We have to give her an opportunity.
Finance information all the time. That's why I got a class action lawsuit against them already.
I have a feeling it's not going to end up working out. So, but we got to try.
Ah, pull up. Why should she take my phone? Why should
How are you supposed to charge
I
it?
don't want her to. She said there's no way to charge it. I want her.
So we're
I don't want her
hold on,
DNA on my phone. What am I gonna do if I have her DNA on my phone and she steals the phone from me and I walk out right now
Hold on, man.
and she goes 33rd for life? Prison for life.
Ma'am, you said that you want to get your phone charged so you can pay for the stuff
but
you just
she
ate.
said she lied to you on camera on your access and said there's no charges. Then she said there is. It's called.
Do you have an ID or driver's license on you so we can know who we're talking to?
185 George Casalvia way, and I never got it back.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much does she owe?
The chips too?
All of that.
She opened every single one of these?
She put her hand in every single one of these boxes.
I mean, like-
Oh, that she opened that.
All these open?
Some of them are not. I'll tell you what, the ones that are not open, let's just get rid of them. The ones that she has opened and touched something, we'll just get charged for those.
What's your first name?
I'm a YouTuber and it's
What's your first name?
TY Nasty. TY Nasty.
How many more things of soup? How many things of soup total?
She get
I think it's gonna be like 8 things of soup.
What's your date of birth, Dynasty Robertson?
It's 2/1946.
So, ma'am, just confirm, we do have the money on your account to pay for
I
it.
sure do. Yes.
Okay.
But I can't see it right now until the charge comes up.
Okay,
See what I'm saying?
it
How much
looks,
is it?
hold on, it looks like it's probably going to be over $100.
Oh, over $100.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay, as long as you got $100, that's fine.
Yeah, but they were acting like it was gonna be $500,000. Like.
No, I don't think the bills generally go up that high in the store.
They never told me until when they harassed me until you guys got here. After I said I was gonna pay, and then did not for me charge until you
So
got here.
Roberson, Roberson.
That's correct.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Kingdom,
What state is that?
Guyana, Guyana.
How long have you been in the United States?
I can be deported at any time, so I've only been here for about 2 weeks.
You've been in the United States for 2 weeks from Guyana.
That's correct. Any more
You
questions?
don't have an accent. That's interesting.
Wow, isn't that how it is for when? Too?
Usually that's not how that goes.
Oh, really? You've been to Guyana before?
No, but I know Guyanese people.
Oh, you know Guyanese people, but you have
Yep.
not been to Guyana.
I have not been to Guyana.
That's rich. Just like you. See, they always do this. That's why I'm trespassed off like 90% of Orlando because they always think that I'm not going to pay for stuff. Do I look like a broke bitch to you? Like, you know what I mean?
So what year did you say you were born?
And would you like to pause, rewind, and then play again? Because this is all recording on your Axon, where I went.
So you said 1946, I believe.
Yeah, so I asked.
So, because I don't think that's accurate, because that would put you at like 70 years old.
No, it put me at 77, actually.
Okay, are you 77 years old?
That's why I have silver hair, see? You think a 21-year-old would have silver hair like this is natural.
Oh, you look great for your age.
Oh, thank you so much.
The whole counter was filled with soup cups.
She was just ladling it out.
Yeah. And she kept going. I'm like, wait, this one we have to say something to her because we can't keep letting her fill it up.
Yeah.
So then when she asked her, she said that she was feeding the homeless with a $25 check and she got me on the start. So and I'm like, man, if you pay on the check, I can't take a check for that amount. She was like, I never said that. I'm paying with cash.
I don't know why, but I have a feeling Apple Pay is not going to work. That's just my professional opinion.
Then she just started, oh, if I touched it, you can't sell it. And just opened every box. So the other boxes we was bringing.
So, okay, so she consumed something out of each one of these boxes, though, correct? Okay.
Yes, they are.
Is it turned on? There you go.
Just for her to pay for it.
All right. We got just enough juice. Let's pull up this Apple Pay.
What happened? It came up?
Yeah.
I told you I have Apple Pay.
Well, no,
Let me have it rung up.
thing charged up.
Come on, let's go. Let's back up here. We're going to pay.
Okay.
You want to go to one of these fine individuals? And I'm pretty sure they can ring you out. And we'll even get you the food since you technically paid for it now. So you can
Technically. Okay.
Oh.
Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry. Take my quick time.
Yeah, turn it. No, other way. Keep going. No, other way.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to walk, ma'am?
No, that's fine. I'm okay.
How did you make it into the store?
I barely did it. Came.
Ah.
Well, discrimination.
All right. No. Go that. No, other way.
Where's the mirror? God, you guys follow me every goddamn way. Oh my god. What did you say?
Which one are we going to be at?
Now she's starting to sound like a...
Right here.
Right here?
Right there.
Yeah. 192.65. Is that what you said? You said 192.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
65. All right, let's try and see. Which card should I use? The one here.
Deli department, line 100, deli 100, Forsyth.
So if you're having trouble, you got.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Hold on. Please wait. Please wait.
Not authorized.
Oh my goodness. Let's try another one. Don't worry.
Under Florida Statute 812.015, retail theft is defined as taking possession of or depriving a merchant of merchandise with intent to deprive. The key word is intent. When Dynasty Robertson opened and placed her hands inside each container before any payment was processed, she eliminated the merchant's ability to resell those items regardless of what came next. Under Florida Statute 509.092 governing public food service, that contamination is a direct, separate loss to the merchant, independent of what she consumed. Still, a defense attorney would argue that opening packaging while planning to pay is poor judgment, not theft. That said, the contamination happened before any payment attempt, and that sequence is exactly what the law looks at.
Don't worry.
If you want to use a combination, that's also allowed.
Is it okay if I phone a friend real quick? My banker to send me to Zelle? Is that okay?
She had to do.
All right, I like that. Here, we can also add second request.
I'm going to go get my phone.
I will
Don't worry.
let you know.
Yeah, if it goes another direction, just let me know.
Tell you what, you want us to do the paperwork, and I'll stand by.
Not. Statement.
Like, you guys always do this shit. That's how you're gonna be sued too.
You want to help the next person in line?
And then the funny thing is, I would like not pay for it, and they would still keep all the food, and they wouldn't give me the food, so they win.
No, actually, if you pay for it, it is yours right
What
now.
I said is, if for some reason,
But right now, they're doubting that you have the
what
ability
I
to pay
said
for it.
was, if it doesn't go through for some reason, they get cheap the food and charge me. That's what they do all the time. They did a KFC the other night. They do Uber all the time. I have class action lawsuits all over the city, and I know more OPD than you know OPD, and you know this name.
All right. Who wants to write the statement?
That's all he does. I think she got her right better than me.
How about we try another card, because I don't think that one's going to work
Well,
today.
this is not your card, so you won't know how many times you have to swipe until it actually works. It's part of their, what's it called? That encryption that I built into it because I need cybersecurity. Okay? So I know once I hit 17, it's about to, right now the trees are
When you hit 17 times, it'll accept.
equals total victory. It's in the Bible alone.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
can't argue with that.
Not optimist. There we go.
Oh,
There we
approved.
go. Approved. Wow. How about that?
Oh, so that took $50 off?
Oh, that.
All right. Now we can get another 142.
We'll try the Apple Pay again. Now that it's less, maybe the Apple Pay will take a little more.
I think that card's going to be depleted, so we can try another card.
No, people on live right now, so there's live adding stuff to my Cash App. That's why it's going to say not authorized when I hit 17, since they're watching me live and on your Axons, because you guys are partners too, obviously. So it's card got valid for 10. Let's see if it's valid for. Here.
No, you cannot hold on to this minute. Where did you live?
All right, that one doesn't work. We had one card with $50, and we had another card for $4.
Really?
So we're getting there.
We're getting there.
The Medicaid card? All right, let's skip the Medicaid card.
Yeah, so that's the
Let's try the
soul's home word.
social security card that I don't have. It should have something in here. Check.
No cash back.
Oh, yeah, there's no way you can get it out of this one anyway.
I mean, the other one seemed like it was working a little bit.
Not over that.
That's not a price.
No,
Oh,
she's
no.
cash back.
No, it comes back.
Oh gosh.
Not a price.
Oh.
Let's try 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Let's try it one more time.
Oh, 2 eyes ago.
Oh, really?
You guys working on?
Yeah.
If you need to make a phone call and go do that, we got no problem, but we have to figure this out in a pretty short amount of time right now.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm just going, no, I just found out how to pay it off if I have another card on here. So I'm clearing this for $1,300 right now.
I'm ready for you to wow me.
And then once I do that, then I'm going to go buy a bunch of food and see what one we got when I go on. Okay?
Now let's pay for this food and we can be done for the
Hey,
day.
would you like some? Because I'm just
No, I
leave
don't
it all
know.
outside, and if you accidentally pick it up, free food for you.
Nope.
Whoa.
Once you buy it, it's all yours.
I know, it's yours too. Here's a percentage of it. Sorry again.
Ma'am, do you have any checks on you?
I don't use checks. Do you use checks? How's that? That's like an H.
I know. But idiots use checks.
Yeah, that's a weird question.
Hi, welcome in.
This is my car.
Can they get a degree in emergency north alternative or no?
She's requesting an ambulance now.
Call my other dog. She said it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Was that? Oh, yeah.
Because of federales.
We have to go federales.
I guess we'll get a misuse as well.
Alright.
All right. That'll be enough.
We've satisfied this now.
I know. Stand up. We know you
Stand up.
I can't. No, you can't do this to me. Let me get my cane at least, please.
Our cane's gonna come with you.
Come on.
But we'll help you. We will be your cane.
You won't let me use my cane? ADA.
Ma'am.
Let's go.
Okay, all right.
Stand
All right.
One foot in
Give
front of the other.
just give me a second. I gotta get off this, so my ass is so fat.
Let's go.
Oh, you have pleasure. How did they do that? Oh no. The
Left foot first.
911, 911, after 911, call 411.
Is there an emergency shuttle for this?
1-800 no phone. I'm going to 33rd. Who's got my bail money on deck? It's for 137.93, and they took off 50, and they're going to keep all the money, and you're going to get free food.
We'll get your stuff.
Credit cards in my iPhone, because this is how it goes. And Latoya and Portia, thank you very much for making yourself viral, because you bitches get fired for real, for real. So Officer Aria, what's up? Caller, I'm on the way. 33rd, here I go.
Get popped.
I can't wait to get locked up.
I'll grab it.
Solitary again, because I'm 7:30 official, bitch. I'm crazy.
All right, man, let's go.
Marie Cakes with an S85 on Snapchat, 6,000 subscribers and counting. Suck my dick.
Yeah, man, come on. There's kids in here.
I don't care. Them kids.
Okay.
Hide your kids, hide your wives. This is what we call, this is how we do it. On Sunday night, free chicken for everyone.
I've never seen it.
Everyone's saying story.
4-2. Write it down. We do this crazy shit again. Somebody record. Write it down. That's my mom. She never showed up today like she's supposed to. And they're putting this crazy shit. They're gonna taser me and everything and put me in the.
Oh, we aren't getting cuffs. They don't like it when we do
like
that.
they did last time.
Keep going.
$30,000 right now.
Alright, so look inside the car with you, right?
Tell me so I can vomit some out my dreams. MONCRIEF. My dreams. Tell them I'm on my way. My dreams. MONCRIEF. Caller, I'll break you up. I'll budge you out.
Almost there.
Give me a second.
Came back there? Thanks, sir.
Please, put the windows down. I'm having hot flashes.
Okay. Seems secure. Hi, welcome to Orlando.
Florida Statute 812.014 defines theft as knowingly obtaining another person's property with intent to deprive them of it. The partial $50 payment does not cure the prior contamination. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Assisting an elderly woman with mobility impairments to stand and walk is not force, it is accommodation. Under Terry versus Ohio, an investigative stop requires reasonable, articulable suspicion. Officers had a merchant complaint, consumed merchandise, and a subject who could not pay. That clears the threshold. The arrest required probable cause under the Fourth Amendment. Officers documented failed payment across multiple cards, contaminated inventory, and a subject who admitted consuming items without authorization. The record was solid. Florida Statute 877.03 covers disorderly conduct, acts that corrupt public morals or disturb the peace. Robertson's profane language in front of children in a retail space is relevant, though courts apply this standard narrowly against First Amendment conflicts. Rather than arresting on the spot, officers charged her phone, ran multiple cards, and gave her time to call an associate. That is documented good faith, and it builds a probable cause record that is very hard to challenge in court. The one issue is on-camera commentary predicting payment failure before facts were established. That kind of statement, even when accurate, can surface in a suppression hearing as evidence of bias. Officers should stay forensically neutral regardless of how obvious the situation appears. Robertson's defense, that she intended to pay and her phone died, is legally cognizable. Genuine intent to pay can negate the intent element under Florida Statute 812.014, but the contamination sequence undercuts it. She handled and rendered unsaleable multiple items before any payment attempt. One card cleared $50. The rest did not clear the remaining balance. Lesson 1. If you cannot confirm payment before consuming or handling merchandise, do not touch it. Under Florida Statute 509.092, contamination creates a loss the merchant cannot recover, regardless of your intent. Question 2. Officers are not required to facilitate payment indefinitely. More than 15 minutes and multiple attempts were given here. That patience is discretion, not a right. When a deadline is set, it carries legal weight. Lesson 3. Every statement made on camera becomes evidence. Claims about Guyana, 17-swipe cybersecurity, and citywide lawsuits do not help. They only destroy the intent defense, which is the only viable argument in this case. If there is an interaction or legal topic you want covered, drop it in the comments.